Achieve cinematic results without a full production team. From generating new footage to animating images and refining existing clips, Designs.ai puts professional video editing right in your prompt bar. Designs.ai gives you access to multiple video generation model options. Your exact model list may vary in the selector, but the workflow stays the same. Prompt: pick a model. Adjust settings. Generate. The same prompt can look noticeably different across models. Also, different models offer different settings, like duration, aspect ratio, resolution, and sometimes audio. Choose from our library of video templates to jumpstart your project, featuring specialized generations for high-impact social ads, immersive fantasy worlds, and polished professional videography. Or you can generate from scratch. Let's generate a short brand clip for our example. Mutt Munch, a modern vegan dog food brand. The trick is to specify subject, setting, camera, motion, and constraints, so the output stays on brand.
What do you think? Oh, good. I'm so glad you like them.
Now let's animate a visual you already created. This is ideal for social posts. Upload your image, then tell the model what should move and what must stay consistent. Under the multi-scene selection, you can create a mini commercial in just a few steps. First, upload your images, like a product shot and a subject. Then simply enter a prompt to instruct the AI on how to combine and animate them.
Every precious moment with your furry friend begins with natural goodness. See the joy, feel the love.
Made with only the finest natural ingredients, Mutt Munch delivers pure delight. Choose Mutt Munch for a happy, healthy pet.
If you already have a clip but want to polish it or change certain settings, upload it. Select Runway Gen 4 Video to Video and run the prompt. Now you can transform your existing footage into a completely new brand asset by simply tweaking a few elements, saving you the time and cost of a reshoot. From a single prompt to a cinematic brand story, all without a camera. Head over to the video tool, pick your model, and start bringing your ideas to life with Designs.ai.